कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Menteri Sarkar Jalla bapet ia katanat Public Health Engineering ubadairu unong yalam jangka National People's Party. Marquis Marak ula kentaj mardor ia kajing keno jong kiliang persyak baka Agatha ke sangma kamshim lale AA hari lum garo ha kajinglong MP jongka. Habai keren bat kilat patai kubor Marquis Marak ula ong towan syarilom garo pin salap hi dalaki jongki khmat ya ka baka Agatha kalale bat benrap ru bakala penyo shibun ki ying skol lengba ka MP lats bat kumjuru nagi skim ke Sarkar keme. Shusho Marquis ula penpau ba klem kejing artatin baka Agatha kan yo ya kejing job ha ka election MP bat kumjuru ha Shillong ki don kejing Kyrmen ba Skhem baka kertong jongka party kan yo ya kejing job.
Garo Hills and then move around and then find out what Agatha has done. Lots of things Agatha has done.
Can you name
it is many.
No, many is a general statement.
So how do I remember so many school buildings she has funded from MP-led schemes, and then even these centrally sponsored schemes fundings also. She was behind us in every project getting sanctioned in Delhi. CIA, I don't that is only allegations which they wanted to put an allegation.
No, it's a reality. She supported.
That's what. But then it is not the same, na here. See, elections we count every vote. So therefore, we take seriously all the opponents. Whether the opponent is big or small, that doesn't matter. But opponent is opponent. We take seriously. I don't know about BJP. It's a totally different political party. So
will you be approaching?
You can put up a question to them. Allegation from Congress, no? Definitely they will make this kind of allegations. You ask from us where she was. She was very much with us, and then she was with every programs with us. So Congress will definitely make this kind of allegations. She will win, definitely. No doubt, we will win. We are very hopeful of winning. We are appealing to the people of Kasij and Jehils also. Should go for the NPP party. NPP party has tried level best under the leadership of Conrad Kesama. You must have seen state being transformed now. So we are hopeful of getting the support of the people of our state. If we have 2 numbers of MPs in Delhi, so to get the clearance of all these centrally sponsored schemes will be very easy for us to push for the projects.